Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and I'm pretty sure it's Birchbox. I forgot that I had this come in. It was only when one of my lovely subscribers messaged me yesterday going, have you had your Birchbox yet? I was like, oh crap, I'll get Birchbox now. So this is going to be like the make or break thing, because I used to get Birchbox a lot. I got it last month because it had the frozen box that the girls wanted, and I thought I'd give them 2 months to see if they've upped their game. Oh, it's a bag. It's a bag. Look. Oh, it's pretty. Birchbox I think is like £12.95 a month, I think. I don't think I've got a discount code. If I have, I think everyone might get one. If I have, I'll link it. If I haven't, I won't. Yeah. And the reason I used to hate them, not hate them, it's a very strong word, dislike them and cancel, because all the samples are always teeny weeny little sachets and you never got anything full sized. But I thought we'd give them another go. But this is really pretty. It's like velvet. It's normally a box. This is velvet. Let's have a look. So there's no information in it. That's weird. Right, the first thing I've got is a Daily Concepts Multifunctional Soap Sponge Mother of Pearl. There's no, like normally you get like the little leaflet telling you what everything is. There's nothing in here, so I can't tell you. I'll Google it all and I'll just put on the screen how much things are. Wet skin and soap sponge with warm water. Cleanse skin in circular motions to lather and exfoliate. Use on body or face depending on comfort level. So that's interesting. Oh, candy kittens. Candy kittens are like my favourite sweets in the world. I'm opening these. This is a little ditty sample bag. There is a discount code which I'll put on the screen for you to get money off candy kittens. They're like the best jelly sweets ever. They're little kitty cats. These are wild strawberry. They're vegan, gluten-free, and they have no palm oil in them. And I just love them. Birchbox has already won me over this month by having these in. Although I wish it was a big bag. Next up, a hair mask, a Percy and Reed hair mask, hydrating one, little sachet. That's nice. I love their packaging, it's always really pretty. Oh, aloe vera and mango. That sounds nice. What else? Baja, French pom pom. Oh, it's rose. This is going to go into a giveaway. I don't like the smell of rose. It is a body cream. It's all sealed and beautiful packaging. Look, it's like leopard print. Really pretty packaging. Never heard of this brand. I'll have a look and see what other things they do. I really love that packaging. Yeah, rose lychee body cream. So it's a moisturiser for your body. But I don't like the smell of rose. Everything has the bloody smell of rose in it at the moment, it seems, just to annoy me. Next up we've got a brush, and it's a Birchbox brush. It's very pretty. It matches the bag with the green and the gold. So we've got green, looks like kind of like a crease blending brush. It feels quite nice and soft. If I had a little bit of paper I could tell you whether it was real hair or if it was like synthetic. I'm pretty sure it's synthetic. Yeah, I can tell you how much it was, but I will just put it all on the screen. This video is going to be really short because I've got nothing to read to you, Birchbox, because you've forgotten to put it in my bag. Next up is an Anna Sui gel foundation primer. Ooh, that smells like rose as well. For fork's sake. Really pretty packaging, but that does smell like rose. Very strong. Really pretty packaging. Just a little teeny tiny sample. That is 6ml. So again, it is weeny. But I don't know what if this is good, or let's have a look and see if we can Google this. Anna Sui, I think Sui, like wee, Anna Sui Foundation Primer. See what it says. Crumbs. Just on the Birchbox website, if it wants to ever bloody load. Come on. Another candy kitten. So full size is 27ml, and that's £22. It's out of stock. It says, this gel primer creates a plump hydrated canvas layer of makeup on the velvety formula. Not only helps you to keep your makeup on lockdown, but also adds a subtle radiance. Has it got ingredients? View all. I can smell rose. Yeah. It's very, very, very fragranced. The packaging of the full size one is beautiful, but I can't really tell you anything else about it. So, and then last up, oh, it's a little palette. Forgive Me Sugar. Shuggy. What is this? I literally can't see anything. My Birchbox, let's have a look on there. Nope. See if we can Google this. Forgive me. I can't read it. Forgive Me Susie is what it is. And this is the Naturally Yours palette. This is £9. It's 5 eyeshadows. To be honest, I have got all, it's all sealed at the moment. I've got all these colours. They are very pretty. This is the metallic. You got metallic, and then 2 matte. Very, very pretty. But I have got very similar colours, so this will go into a giveaway as well. So I think my favourite thing is the candy kittens and the bag. I think this is a really pretty bag. So yeah, it's okay. I wish more things didn't smell of rose because that's annoying. But yeah, it was okay. I think I'm probably going to cancel. What do you guys think? Let me know if there is a box you want me to get, because I want to treat myself for Christmas to a box or two, like a subscription of a box or two. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. But if you like these videos, please do give this one a big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.